To create Walker's signature adhesive, we took advantage of the latest in adhesive technology to create the strongest liquid adhesive we've ever come up with. Stronger than Ultrahold? You bet it is. It's a clear acrylic adhesive that is waterproof, great for lace, poly, and skin units, and gives a reliable 4 to 6 week hold. This adhesive also meets all standards for sale in the EU. We made this product incredibly easy to use by developing a 4-ounce squeeze bottle for smooth application. To use Walker Signature adhesive, squeeze a small amount onto a brush. We recommend using Walker Tape sponge brushes. Brush 2 very thin layers onto the scalp. If your adhesive layers are too thick, it will compromise the strength and duration of the hold. Next, blow dry the adhesive until very tacky, and place the unit. For clients with sensitive skin, use Walker Signature Remover. Be sure to work the remover into the scalp and give it plenty of time to break down the adhesive. Then wash with soap and water. For an even faster removal, use Action Release. To learn more about Walker Signature adhesive and place your order, visit walkertapeco.com.